Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here are some of the self-improvement techniques to have a good, decent and healthy life. Let's get started. Exercise. To improve your mood. Meditate. To think more clearly. Read to understand the world. Write to understand yourself. To help people. Help yourself. To learn faster. Have fun. To understand better. Teach. To be happy. Don't expect. To get more. Give. To be respected. Give respect. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.